Hi, Scott Matthew here to talk to you today about the limited edition Heuer 01 Indianapolis 500. There was only 102 of these made to commemorate the 102nd running of the Indianapolis 500. Absolute gorgeous watch. It's made out of solid surgical stainless steel. The bracelet itself has little H's throughout it, obviously for Heuer. The outer bezel is a blue ceramic with the Indianapolis 500 as well as the tachometer around the outside edge to calculate speed. The inner dial, that is a cutaway dial with the black rhodium gold. The numbers are raised with luminous material as well as the hands have luminous material, so they will glow very well at night. The watch is a chronograph to calculate speed and time for auto racing. You've got your start and stop button with your return at the bottom position. This will calculate the minutes and hours. It'll record up to 12 hours. The crystal itself is a sapphire anti-reflective crystal, and it will not scratch. Inside the watch, we've got the Heuer 01 in-house movement. They did a very nice job on this movement, and it has a 50-hour power reserve. If you notice, the movement is covered by a display back. On that is the Indianapolis 500 logo for the 102nd running. Now that logo changes every year. The case back on this is held down with screws. It's a lot better than something that screws down into place for the fact that the precision of the case when it's being made, the tolerances are much closer. You've got a deployment buckle with push button release, and that is the Indianapolis 500 limited edition. This is number 60 of 102.